Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Let's see how it tastes. There's a big black olive. That's what she said. Let's see how it tastes. Look at this big chunk of yolk right here. I can't wait. You got a big enough bite, Mike? There it is. There's the leftover masterpiece. It's very hot. Let's see if it's a hot mess. Culver's. Looks like a mouthful. Let's try it. Scrambled eggs and bacon on toast. Is it simple? Of course, but is it delicious? And I showed you how to do it. Well, I'm going to find out right now. And here's the bite. What do you think? I have to get it like this. Okay, it looks crazy. But is it crazy good? We're gonna find out right now. Oh my goodness. Is it hot? It's a little hot. Is it cooperating? No. Never does. Here's that bite. Chili and chips. Okay, here's the first bite. Is that too hot to bite? Well, we're gonna find out the hard way. Let's try the bite. Oh. The cheese makes a difference. You can taste that. But I can take a nice bite of it and see what all the hubbub's about. This one has hummus on this French bread. All right. Well, this is classic lasagna. That just melted in my mouth. Let's get a bite with the beef. How about a bite? That's even a better close-up. Let's have the big bite. You know what's in it. Now it's the meat. Ready? This is the triple. The really big Carl. You ready? Okay, try it. Oh my goodness. Cracker. Take a little cheese. Put a little cured meat on there. It's a salami and go, Throwing it all. Now warming up. And just keep chewing. Oh, that's a lot. Now these are designed, obviously, by establishments that want you to drink because it's all sodium, it's all dry. It's a sodium mess. Delicious. I'm not saying it's not delicious. But it's designed for you to say, hey, can I have another bottle of wine and 6 bottles of beer? Because it's all, you know what I'm saying. So, there's Mike's charcuterie, peace and love. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 on YouTube. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I'm still chewing it. Look at this. Sweet mumble. I think it's a charcuterie. I mean, there's a lot of stuff. And then you take the fruit to kind of calm it down. That was refreshing. Grape. Now these used to be grapes. Now they're raisins. My wife eats raisins all day. There you have it, Baba. Why you ask me things? He wants you a picture of me when I was almost 30 years younger. Check it out. Check that out. That's my beautiful wife. Look at it. That's Foster right there. Baba. Cuckoo.